Hi, I'm Angie Marcus with the Cobb County Water System. Do you think you might have a leak inside your home, but you've checked all of the common culprits? Toilets, faucets, hot water heater, outside irrigation system, and can't find a leak? You can actually use your outside water meter to help you determine if you might have a leak inside your home.
Your first step is to make sure there is no water being used inside or outside your home. No clothes washer filling, no dishwasher running, no watering outside. You'll need to locate your water meter box outside. Remove the lid and look for your meter inside. Make sure to be careful when lifting the lid. The cool, dark space makes a perfect home for spiders and other living creatures. You may have a leak detector on your meter, a small triangle on the meter dial. If all your water sources are off and the leak detector is rotating, you may have a leak. If you don't have the leak detector on your meter, make a note of the number of gallons listed on your meter. Wait about an hour, make sure there's no water running inside or outside your home, and check the gallons listed on your meter again. If those numbers have changed, you may have a leak.
Leaks can waste thousands of gallons of water in just a few days. Identifying and repairing leaks promptly can not only save water, but also save money on your water bill. For more information on how to repair leaks, visit our website, cobbwater.org.